Using AI to create pathways and journeys is a fantastic way to get over that blank page problem. But sometimes you just want to create something from scratch. To do that, click on the Create button and then choose Start Blank. It'll ask you what your class is going to be called. Let's name this one Moses's Journey. And the driving question is, how did Moses change as he led the Israelites through the wilderness? Let's say this is going to be a 60-minute class for adults. I can still create with AI if I want, but let's go ahead and create this pathway. Okay, the path is created, but now we have to add some steps. So I'm going to add a step manually. Let's name this the hook. And I'll choose the hook from my selection here. Just about 5 minutes for this maybe. Add the step. Now I can fill this out. So what's the intent of this hook? What facilitator notes are important? And how will I know if I'm successful? I can also add components, but we'll look at that in a moment. Let's go ahead and add another step. And this will be text study. So I'll choose the text study step type. And let's give this 15 minutes. Add step. So now I can add a component. And I have all these different components I can add. An image, a video link, a prompt, an activity, a question. I'm going to start with a source. So now that I've put that in, I can just type in Exodus 12, 1 through 3. There we go. So now we've got those 3 verses in as a component in our pathway. Let's add another component. Maybe an activity. So now I can type out what this activity is going to be, how big the group sizes are, what materials are needed. And that way, all of my information about how I'm going to teach, what I'm going to teach is right here built out in my pathway. I've got my hook, I've got my text study, and as soon as I fill these out, I'm ready to go. If you want to, as you're building this out, remind yourself of the different step types. Just click right up at the top here, and you'll remind yourself about including tension, text study, counter voice. It'll tell you a little bit about each. For the full guide, just click down at the bottom.